I'm Eddie, and I want you to be the best YouTuber you can be. Today, I want to talk to you about riding the wave, and this isn't always something that's going to be easy to do. Sometimes it's a little difficult. The reason I'm talking to you about this is because my other channel, which is a travel channel, is currently riding a wave that I do not like. I want you to keep in mind that you have the ability to ride whatever wave comes your way. So this is how you're going to do it. Riding the wave is following whatever current trend is available to you. For example, my other channel has a video out there that's very popular. It's not something I like. It's actually a tragic video. However, people like tragedy. So what I'm telling you to do right now is ride the waves that come your way. If it's some kind of event that happens in your life that's like, you hate to talk about it, but it's available and people are going to be interested in watching it, it's a lesson learned, it's something that people will be able to watch and click through and like and comment and do all the things that are necessary for YouTube, then that's the kind of wave that you want to ride. The other thing is following current trends. If you're staying on top of current events, trends, stuff like that, those are the other waves that you want to ride. For example, if you're paying attention to the social climate or a new product comes out or whatever's happening, like unboxings, those are big. New events, those are big. News stories, those are big. We're a travel channel, so we like to follow what's going on with the travel-wise. I recommend grabbing onto that information and pushing as far as you can possibly push it. Ride the wave. Stay on top of that. It's even better if you can do the research and find that kind of information on your own so that when you're riding the wave, you're actually creating a before the wave kind of video so that you can get in front of it. Kind of like surfing, you want to catch that wave before you actually get on it. So you want to get ahead of that. You're going to get a lot more out of each one of those current events, each one of those waves, each one of those circumstances that is going to boost your channel. I hope this helps. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a better YouTuber.